Alright, once again, we are here for another video for another topic on weeks 5 and 6 of quarter 2 with the topics deriving the law of exponents or derives the law of exponents. Second, division of polynomials. And third one on the week 6 is the product of polynomials. So remember that on our printed modules, I have arranged it in a flow of division of polynomials. Next is deriving the law of polynomials or exponents, and third is the product of polynomials. But anyways, we have the same discussion. So let's proceed. By the way, my name is Sir Jimmy Orhel, your mathematics teacher. Is already discussed on our previous topics, so let's have a short recap. Okay, monomial, a polynomial which has only one term. Usara ka term, kanayara siya 3xy. So when we say monomial, from the prefix mono meaning usa, monopod, monocycle, una usa. So next is binomial, a polynomial that is the sum of two terms, each of which is a monomial. Kada usa ka term is a monomial. For example, 3xy plus 5. Again, remember, the sum of two terms. So could be 3xy plus negative 5. So naroon na siya, basta ang operations is either plus or minus. Kani mo timailhan diri anas nagpatunga nilang duha. Okay, trinomial, from the prefix tri meaning tulo. Example, triangle, 3 sides. Tricycle, 3 wheels. Okay, a polynomial with 3 terms. Tulo po siya ka terms. Kani duha ra man sa binomial, usa sa monomial kani is tulo. X squared plus 5x plus 6. And polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients. When we say variables, letters. Coefficients, numbers. Example, x is a variable, 5 is a coefficient or numerical coefficients. That involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponentiation of variables. Example, x squared minus 4x plus 7. So again, monomial usa ka term, binomial duha ka terms, trinomial tulo. Ang polynomial is either more than 3. Okay, but overall we call them polynomial. Mo nang division of polynomials. Alright, libog na. So libugon pa dun ito. Okay, dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So quantities in a fraction bar also show ratio or quotient. Okay, example right here. Number 1, 2, and 3, 24 over 8. Number 2, number 3. Okay, number 1, 24 over 8, or can also be read as 24 and 8, or the ratio of 24 and 8, or the quotient when 24 is divided by 8. So if 24 i-divide na to of 8, remember, denominator is the divisor. The same here. Okay, so number 2, the ratio of negative 4a cubed plus 6a and 2a, the ratio nilang duha, ratio. Or the quotient when negative 4a cubed plus 6a is divided by 2a. And number 3, the ratio of 3m cubed minus 9m squared n plus 9m n squared minus 3n cubed and 3mn. Or the quotient when 3m cubed minus 9m squared n plus 9mn squared minus 3n cubed is divided by 3mn. Okay, solutions. So 24 over 8 is equal to 3. Yun sa man na siya. So 24 and 8 na sila common factor which is 8. Ma-divide silang duha by 8. Sa may answer niya 24, ano siya? 24 divided by 8 and over 8 divided by 8. 8 here is the common factor and common factor of 24 and 8. So here's the result. 3. Ang answer sa 24 divided by 8 and 8 times divided by 8 is 1. 3 over 1 or mga to. So, basta 1 ang denominator, automatically the numerator is a whole number or 3. Okay, next, negative 4a cubed plus 6a over 2a equals negative 4a cubed over 2a plus 6a over 2a. Remember, ganun naduha naman ni diri the 2a ug 2a. Remember nga 2 terms ang numerator. Okay, so ato ra nang kitag-tagsagi ug sa litson paghihiwa. Okay, so ang 2a denominator man pod ni negative 4a cubed, denominator pod siya ni 6a. So mo nang gibungkag ra nato ang expression. Okay, so negative 4a cubed over 2a plus 6a over 2a. So masunod mahitabuan parehas sa power of a quotient rule. So asa may mas dako nga exponent, so syempre si 3 na sa numerator diri parehas man unsaon man sir. So if parehas gali arita automatically sa numerator i-minus na siya. And the coefficients or constants here or the numbers ato nang i-simplify. Of course parehas atong ibuhat diri. Okay, wala man ni litera diri anang way variables kay coefficients ra ditso. Diri as number 2 combined. Okay, so mahitabo ani mayroon aning ang a balhin nato diri sa babaw una nang 3 minus 1, so negative 4a 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 nabilin is 2 plus 6a raised to the power of 1 isang nag 1 diri automatically lagay ba sa y number na ni 1 diha. So 1 minus 1, so ano nabilin a diri so 2 ug 2 na lamang diha. Next is negative 4a 2 gyud sa may pagkuha 3 minus 1 all over 2 plus a raised to the power of 1 minus 1 pila man 0, so over 2. So may mahitabo ani karon. So wa naman tay ma-subtract or ma-simplify sa variables or sa mga letters diri based on the exponents. Ari na pud sa numbers or the coefficients. Posible ba ni sila ma-reduce 4 ug 2 unsa may common factor pares diri ana may common factor. Common factor of 4 and 2 unsa man? Okay, 2. So divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. But negative man ni diri negative times or negative divided by positive is negative. So that is the answer of 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 man diri so 1 man automatically negative 2 i-copyahan man nato ang answer there. Negative 2a squared plus 6 divided by 2 kay 2 man pud ang common factor nila 1 na lang habilin diri kay 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3a raised to 0. So na may 0 diri mo na ba ni ang final answer? No, 0 pa man ni simplify paghihapon na nato. So just copy the first term on the first term negative 2a squared plus 1, di ba? If or any number raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1 ay 1 diha. So 3 times 1, final answer here is negative 2a squared plus 3. Something nga kain sa polynomial. This is binomial naman, duha ka terms. Nawa. First term, second term. Na in between nila is ang operation sa addition. Subtan wa. Okay, very good. Number 3. 3m cubed minus 9m squared n plus 9mn squared minus 3n cubed over 3mn. So class sayon pa ni kay usa pa man monomial pa man ang denominator, so nakadaghan na ang numerator, no? Mao ra gyapon. Tagsa-tagsaon gyapon na nato bungkag. Kada usa nila, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, ang ilang denominator is the same, 3mn. So bungkagon ra nato. So unsay operation dire, mo ra mo reflect diha. So 9m squared n, 9m squared n plus, kay plus man dire, so and so forth. So tagsa-tagsa na. That is through the distribution property. Next, isubtract na pud nato. So, sa may dako nga or asa may mas dako nga exponent 3m cube or m raised to the power of 1. So, simply 3 or cube. Wa may n diri sa babaw, pabilin si diha sa ubos. Diri 2 ug 1 gyapon. So, arin sa balhin sa babaw. Parehas man na sila, o ari gyapon sa babaw. Okay? Ang diri parehas mang m, ari sa babaw. Mas dako ang n, exponent ni n sa numerator, so ibalhin na to ang sa denominator. Minus ym diri as babaw na im sa denominator, so pabilin sa diha. Then cube man ni diri is 1, minus na nato. Okay, here's the solution. It's become 3m raised to the power of 3 minus 1 kaning sa m there is denominator, and nagbabilin ang n. So pabilin po ng 3 minus 9m raised to the power of 2 minus 1 isa mag 1 di adria kaning niya 1 balihan to diha manang minus 1. Ang n kay parehas man, transfer po na nato diha sa babaw sa numerator mo ng n raised to the power of 1 minus 1. So nabilin malhin man sila diha, gibijaan na si 3 plus 9mn squared over 3mn. So parehas man si m at tupod sa babaw. And mas bigger or yes, mas greater man ang exponent ni numerator diri sa n. So balihin pud siya diri sa babaw. So gibijaan gyapon nila si 3. Parehas nimo gibijaan. So muna siya minus 3 n wa may m diri, so pabilin ra ang m diha sa ubos sa denominator. Then balihin ang 1 diha manang minus 1. Okay, sabtan we simplify the constants or numbers and subtract the exponents of identical variables m and n by the quotient law of exponents. Next, simplify na to. So simplify, cancel out 3. Diba, 1 na diha. 3 divided by 3, 1 diha. Palibutan. So, m raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. Mana dire. So, nabilin dire is n sa first term. Minus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 naman na diha, divide magkana. So 3 na lamin habilin diri is 1. Okay, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So naman ni 1 diha. Plus ni plus magyapon 9 3 1 habilin mo 3. M raised to the power of 1 minus 1 0. N raised to the power of 2 minus 1 1. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 na diha pwede na kung ibutang same diri sa first term. Okay? 9 or n raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3m. So, ano yung nahitabo? Simplify na to. M squared over n minus 3m raised to the power of 1. Nganong nawa naman since the exponent of n is 0, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number makaseron sa letter man any number or letter. Okay, nanamasad zon. So 1 plus 3 times 1. Nganong mang 1? So the same lagi po nira. So 1 n raised to 1 minus n squared over 3m. So kung nilabot ni siyang naitom na gamay, i-delete na ijahang subscript. Okay, proceed. Simplify man na to. The answer is m squared over n minus 3m raised to 1. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, plus 3 times 1 is 3, n raised to the power of 1 minus n squared over 3m. Ikopyahan na nato, or in this form. Mao na ni siya ang final. Pwede na nagkuhaon ang mga 1 diha. So mao na siya. Okay. Proceed. Dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. The process of dividing a polynomial by another polynomial is similar to the process of long division. Long division atong magamit ani, pwede pod og synthetic division, but in this case, we discuss long division method. At least ma-practice po na to. Okay. Number 1 example. X plus 2 divided by, x squared plus 10x plus 16 divided by x plus 2, or the quantity of x squared plus 10x plus 16 divided by inani nga symbol mo ni long division, divided by x, or the quantity of x plus 2. Okay. First step, divide the first term of the dividend and the divisor. Place the quotient above the fraction bar. Okay. Divide na nato. Kibaw naman siguro mo, no? Sa ni siya nga form. Tulo ni, I guess, grade 4 starting and na grade 3. Okay. X squared plus 10x plus 16 divided by x plus 2. Second step, place the quotient above the fraction bar. Quotient meaning the answer of the operation of division. And multiply the quotient x to each term of the divisor. Nganong x man? Okay. X kay ug atong i-multiply tungod man na nato diri diba? X nganong diri man pud ka nag-start sa second term. Kay tan-awa binomial ba diri? So mo po diri. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Nganong x squared man, iparehas man na sila nga base, then i-add, di ba? I-add ang exponents mo ng x squared. Okay? So, ang gisod diha og close parenthesis or grouping symbol aron dili maglibog positive ba dya. So, x times x squared plus x times 2 is 2x. So plus gihapon og say symbol diha or sign mao gihapon minus na nato, cancel out 0. 10 minus 2 is 8x, kopyahon, bring down 16. Unsa may atong i-multiply ni x plus 2 para makakuha ta ani nga result. So may quotient na to na pod. Okay. So, aron kakuha tag 8x diri mo na atong first concern ha kani diri. Atong positive na, so positive bo diri. Yung ibutangan og quotient na 8. Wa na x. Kay usara man ka x diha. Butangan tog x squared na. 8x squared sobra. Okay. So 8 times x is 8x plus 8 times 2 is 16. Very good. So, cancel out, subtract 0. Okay, next. On this topic, the same instructions, please show your solutions in a whole sheet of paper. Isuwat ang kumpleto nga solusyon kada number kay mao kining kuhaan og basehan sa puntos or points. So, the answers are given for your reference. Your task is to show the solutions of each polynomial. So divide the following polynomials 1, 2, and 3. And nanay answer diha. If it happens wrong ang pagkabutang na ho or na wrong dinhi I don't know. So please show your solutions, complete solutions, and defend your answer. So I will be happy if you show your solution on your paper. Iusara gyapon ng papel aron dili kas sa previous activity, isunod na po na siya aron hand-eye.